Hello and welcome to the Granjr Stock Market Challenge. We have 3 friends who each think that they are great investors. And how are they going to determine who is the best? They are going to do that by putting in an initial investment of $100 into the company that they think will do the best, and then to see who is the best at choosing company as an investment over time, they will continue to put in just $20 into each company of their choice over time. Where are we getting these numbers from? Well, they're from real data. We used this Google Finances to figure out how much stocks are worth week by week, and then we can put that into a little formula where you divide the worth of the stock. And then coming over here, you can see your running total. So this is all the money that you have currently in the stock market, which gives you a profit when you take out the fact that you put in $100, you got out $1.06.
Okay, now we're gonna go and see this summary. Take a look at the calculator sheet here, and here we have a summary of all the investments. Here you see the names: Nora, Jonathan, Abraham. On top of that, you can see 2 columns for each person. The first one says how much each person has, and it also says how much that person lost or won. That you can go here and take a look at this graphic, this bar chart here. You can see like Nora is blue, Jonathan is red, and Abraham is orange. If you're very curious, you can go here, this left place of the sheet, and click here and see if Nora, Jonathan, or Abraham, and you can check whichever week you want.
Perfect. For our chart of investment, we use different formulas like Vlookup, Hlookup, match, value, and also we use named cells to store our range of numbers or results. Here you can see a list and where we set our running profit and running total. Also we use data validation to show a list of the company names here. This is very related with the data or down, and also with the logo. For example, if we change a name of the company, also change the data below and the picture. Here in our calculator, we use conditional formatting to show green stuff and red stuff is if win or lose. To show the results, we use the if formulas and max or min, array, and conditional, and other formulas also.
Yep, and so what's super cool about all this is that you can go through, and because we have added data validation, Vlookup, and all these formulas, you can do this for your own group of friends. Just go over the real stock data, change the date. If you change it from this past week to the current week, you will see that the data will be missing for all the weeks in the future. But that's just what makes it fun. And then do this test for yourself.